Best bites forever.
Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make pickled jalapenos. I am starting off here with my nice clean jar, obviously, and as a little side note here, this jar happens to be twice the size of the one that I normally use, and I will tell you about that in just a second. What I'm adding in here is some apple cider vinegar, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of sugar, and of course that is kosher salt. You need to give that a little swirl or a little stir and get it to dissolve. Here I have my jalapenos, which I have rinsed off, and I am going to end up chopping up 5 jalapenos altogether. Also, as a little side note here, you can chop these long ways if you really want to like spread across sandwiches or whatever. So these are going to go into that liquid that we made. You can control the heat here by either leaving the seeds in or taking them out. So if you take all of the seeds out, you're going to have some mild pickled jalapenos. If you leave half of them in, they're going to be medium, and if you leave them all in, of course, they're going to be hot. In this case, I have left all of them in because they are mostly for my husband and he likes them super spicy. Now, it was at this point that I realized I should have probably doubled up my liquid at the beginning. So what I ultimately ended up using as a total is 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 3 teaspoons of kosher salt. So I did it in 2 little batches, but those are the measurements all together. You need to make sure that the jalapenos are submerged. So what I do is I just use my spoon and balance it on top. Let that set at room temperature for an hour. After that, they go in the fridge and they are good to go. I will be using these in some upcoming recipes, so you can make them now if you want to. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bestbitesforever.com